This is Pale's rails for ankle dorsiflexion. So we're going to come into combat base position. The heel's going to back up to our other leg. We're going to hug the knee in towards our center line like this. We're going to fall into a passive stretch, so the heel right here is not coming off of the ground, but we should feel a nice stretch in the back here. From here, I'm going to start to gas pedal into the ground, so I'm pushing my toes into the ground, feeling a contraction there. After about 5 to 10 seconds, we're going to reverse that. So I'm going to take the toes up towards my shin. I should feel pretty strong contraction in the front of the leg. Now with that same contraction, I'm continuing to drive, but I'm going to start to lean back into my heel until my toes come off the ground about 1 centimeter. And I'm holding that squeeze. This is pretty intense here as far as the contraction into the front. Then we're going to go back into relaxation. We're going to fall into our passive stretch and repeat that about 3 to 4 times.